Prepare on-premises Active Directory for directory synchronization. Before IT staff at Contoso deploys Microsoft Entra Connect, it's essential that they check the on-premises ADDS and related technologies for potential issues, and any issues that are discovered are remediated. This is especially important if they implement directory synchronization as an identity service for Microsoft 365. Pre-deployment checks. Pre-deployment checks should include analyzing the on-premises environment for invalid characters in ADDS object attributes and for incorrect user principal names, UPNs, performing domain email discovery and user counts, identifying domain functional levels and schema extensions, and identifying custom attributes in use, identifying proxy servers used for Microsoft Exchange or Skype for Business if you deploy Microsoft Entra Connect as a part of a Microsoft 365 deployment, identifying Microsoft SharePoint domains if you deploy Microsoft Entra Connect as part of a Microsoft 365 deployment, evaluating client for SSO readiness, recording network port use and DNS records related to Office 365 if you deploy Microsoft Entra Connect as part of an Office 365 deployment. After you complete these checks, key remediation tasks include removing duplicate proxy address and user principal name attributes, updating blank and invalid user principal name attributes and replacing with valid user principal name attributes, removing invalid characters in the following attributes: given name, surname, SAN, SAM account name, display name, mail, proxy addresses, mail nickname, and user principal name. UPNs that are used for SSO can contain letters, numbers, periods, dashes, and underscores. No other character types are allowed. If you're deploying Microsoft 365, and your deployment includes plans for SSO, you should ensure that UPN names meet this requirement before SSO is rolled out. Domains used for SSO and directory synchronization must be routable, which means that you can't use local domain names such as contoso.local, Active Directory health check tools. To have directory synchronization work properly, you must ensure that on-premises Active Directory is well prepared and error-free. You can use the following ADDS health check tools can be used to identify and remediate issues. IDFix tool. The Microsoft 365 IDFix tool enables you to identify and remediate most object synchronization errors in Active Directory, including common issues such as duplicate or malformed proxy addresses and user principal name. You can select the OUs that you want IDFix to check, and you can fix common errors within the tool itself. Common errors might include problems such as invalid characters that might have been introduced during scripted user imports to attributes such as proxy addresses and mail nickname. For distinguished names that contain format and duplicate errors, IDFix might not be able to suggest an automatic remediation. Such errors can either be fixed outside IDFix or can be manually remediated within IDFix. ADModifyNet tool. For errors such as format issues, you can make changes to specific attributes object by object by using either ADSci-Edit or Advanced Mode in Active Directory users and computers. However, to make attribute changes to multiple objects, ADModify.net is a better tool. This is because the batch mode operation provided by ADModify.net is useful for making changes to attributes such as UPNs across OUs or domains.